Many of the tensions we feel during the day begin quietly, not from what is happening around us, but from what we expected to happen instead. Plans form in the mind, and when reality moves in a different direction, resistance begins. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's reflection invites us to look at the relationship between expectation and inner calm. Your energy settles when your expectations soften. Expectations can be helpful. They help us plan, organize, and imagine how something might unfold. But when expectations become rigid, they create a silent contract with reality. We begin to believe that events should follow the path we predicted. When they do not, tension appears. The mind starts negotiating with what has already happened. It asks why something didn't go the way it should have. It revisits the plan, searching for a way to correct the difference between expectation and reality. That effort drains energy. Much of the strain we feel in daily life does not come from the situation itself. It comes from holding tightly to how we believe the situation should unfold. The more firmly we hold the expectation, the more resistance we experience when circumstances shift. Softening expectations changes that dynamic. It does not mean abandoning goals or becoming passive. It simply means allowing room for reality to move in its own way. When expectations loosen, flexibility increases. The mind stops fighting every small deviation from the plan. Energy begins to settle. Instead of reacting to every unexpected moment, we adapt, we observe, we adjust without turning each change into a problem that must be solved immediately. Life becomes easier to navigate when our expectations remain flexible. Calm often returns the moment we stop insisting that things unfold exactly as imagined. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one moment today where something does not go as you expected. Before reacting, pause and acknowledge the difference between your expectation and what is actually happening. Take a breath and allow the expectation to soften slightly before deciding how to respond. Observe how your body and mind react when the need for control loosens. Often, peace appears not when everything goes according to plan, but when we learn to move with what is already here. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Flexibility preserves energy, and acceptance invites calm. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.